Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to archive chats on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to clean up your chat list and temporarily hide certain conversations. So today I'm going to show you how to archive chats on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, locate the conversation that you want to archive. For example, I want to archive this conversation, so simply long press on that conversation. After that, a set of options will appear at the top. From here, tap on this icon that looks like a box with an arrow pointing downwards. After that, you now have successfully archived a chat on WhatsApp. The chat will be moved to the archive chat section, and you can access this section by tapping on this archive option on the top of the chat list. Archived chats are no longer visible in the main chat list, but they can still be accessed whenever you want. There you go. If you wanted to know how to archive chats on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to archive chats on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.